Well, there are some wildfires, of course, raging on the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to lead to some smoke heading our direction. You can see these dark reds there stemming from the Pacific Northwest and a little bit in the Rockies as well. Now, thankfully, I think the worst of the smoke due to these arrows moving more west to east will stay to the north. But we're going to see some smoke kind of hang around probably for at least the next couple of days. For now, though, it's going to remain elevated because that cold front that's off to the northwest, that's pushing towards the surface. So the northern plains seeing a little bit of some bad air quality, but for us currently, it's okay. It's moderate. So you can see green is the good there, yellow across the region. So I think for most people, it's going to be okay. But if you're extra sensitive to those allergens or smoke, to be mindful, could be a little bit of that air quality concern there. But again, overall, not too much of an issue. It's just mostly going to be a haze and more of an appearance factor. So it's going to keep highs in the mid to upper 90s for today. Could see maybe 100-degree or two in the river valley. And we'll see, besides the smoke, plenty of sunshine during the morning and a few passing clouds during the afternoon. Tonight, low temperatures in the low to mid 70s, mostly clear and a little bit warmer. And we'll see that southeast wind continue. Then for tomorrow, highs about a degree or two warmer, but it'll feel a couple degrees warmer. It'll be slightly more humid. And I think we could see a handful of 100-degree highs in the river valley, staying in the mid 90s in northwest Arkansas. And besides mostly sunny skies, maybe a stray shower during the afternoon and evening. But that humidity will ramp up a little bit as we head through the next few days because highs are going to be about the same for the next 3 days. But those dew points will get close to 70 tomorrow, into the 70s on Thursday. So that puts that heat index for today about 99 to 104. Tomorrow, 101 to 106. And on Thursday, 103 to 108. And then stays about 100 to 105, 106 on Friday and Saturday because while the temperatures will drop, the humidity is going to stay very elevated. And that's because this high here that's spinning that air clockwise is going to continue to spin some Gulf moisture our direction. And when this cold front moves through, which is going to move very slowly because it's not going to move through till Friday, it's going to move very slowly and it's going to weaken as it gets here. So it's not going to cool us off very much. But just like it is right now in the upper Midwest and parts of the Rockies and Southern Plains, we will be seeing a rain chance here, especially on Friday as it passes. So we'll show those rain chances here on Futurecast. Here's this morning, or tomorrow morning, excuse me, at 7. We'll see maybe a spotty chance of some showers during the afternoon and evening for tomorrow, but most of the area remains dry. As we head into early Thursday, we could see kind of a wave of showers and a rumble of thunder kind of scrape our far northeastern counties there, and then maybe another shot during the afternoon and evening, but overall, again, remaining very spotty to isolated, nothing widespread. The best chance, though, is going to come late Thursday night into the day on Friday. You can see 7 o'clock, some storms kind of rolling through, and these could maybe have some heavy downpours and gusts of wind. Nothing widespread severe expected, but some stronger thunderstorms that continues to push southeast. There's 4 o'clock, and then by Friday night, I think that clears out, and we could see a few showers lingering into the day on Saturday. But you notice, so temperatures drop about 4 or 5 degrees on Friday, but the humidity stays the same, so that heat index still is pretty high. And then we'll continue to see that humidity stick around, and those highs climb a little bit higher into the mid 90s. So that heat not going away anytime soon, unfortunately. I know it is early August, but was hoping for a little bit more relief like we saw this past weekend. Fortunately, that'll not be the case here. And it does look like this heat will stay above normal through at least the middle of August. So it's going to be a long stretch. And again, you can see a couple more 100-degree highs there for tomorrow and Thursday for the River Valley, and staying pretty warm even as that cold front passes through for the rest of the week.
All right.